Hi everyone! Today I'm excited to share with you a microwave chocolate cupcake recipe. These cupcakes are perfectly moist, incredibly flavored, and super quick to make. It's the ideal dessert for evenings when you want something sweet. Ready in less than 10 minutes. So let's get started! In a mixing bowl, combine 1 egg, 4 tablespoons of granulated sugar, 2 tablespoons of sour cream, or you can use yogurt, and 1 cup of melted unsalted butter. Next, add 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla flavor, and pinch of salt. Mix everything well until the batter is smooth. When baking in the microwave, it's very important to use a microwave-safe dish. You can also use a silicone cupcake molds. Divide the batter evenly in the molds. I ended up with 7 cupcakes. Place the molds in the microwave and cook on high for about 3 minutes. This cook time is based on my 750 volts microwave, so the timing may vary depending on your microwave's power. You'll know the cupcakes are done when it's formed to the touch in the middle and they start to pull away from the sides of the molds. You can also check them by inserting a toothpick into the center. If it's come out clean, the cupcakes are ready. Carefully remove the cupcakes from the microwave and let them stand until the cupcakes cool completely before handing. Once cooled, transfer the cupcakes to a plate. For the topping, place 2 ounces of your favorite chocolate and 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter into a microwave-safe ceramic bowl. Melt them in the microwave. Spread the chocolate mixture evenly over the cupcakes. For the finishing touch, add some colorful sprinkles on top. But feel free to use any frosting and decorations you like. And that's it! Your moist and delicious microwave chocolate cupcakes are ready to enjoy. I hope you found this recipe useful. Thank you for watching.